Here's a nice little GE table fan. It's model FM8S11. It's got an 8-inch blade, stationary. This model did not have a switch. You just plug it in and it goes. It's got its fair share of dings and scrapes and scratches, but really, for its age, it's a great survivor. So let's plug it in and see how it goes. The motor has a little bit of a rattle, but for its age, I think it's doing really well. It's got the Bakelite base, fully adjustable head. It's a C-neck design that was so popular with General Electric in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. And we'll unplug it now and you can watch a spin down time. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, I hope you subscribe to the channel.